All right, I'm going to take a second in this video to show you how you can make a bookmark in your bookmark bar and organize it so that more fit on there and that they're in the order that you want. It's very simple and straightforward. Here I am at a page that I'd like to bookmark. The easiest way to make a bookmark is just to click the little star at the end in Chrome and then to give it a title. Now, a trick here with the title is you want to make it as short as possible so you can fit a lot up in your toolbar. I could just make it Padlet like that and choose it to be the folder Bookmarks bar, which is the bar that you'll see at the top. When I hit done, notice you can't see it up there because I have so many bookmarks that it actually lives under these little arrows. And I click here and it will be all the way at the bottom. Now, if I want this one somewhere more visible, I can click on it and drag it anywhere else in the list or even drag it up here. It will knock something off, but that's okay. Maybe there's something here that is more important than, so let me drop it there. So you can see it pushed over one of my other bookmarks. One way to get around this is to shorten the names. So notice all these have little icons. One trick is if I right click on the bookmark and edit it, I can actually remove the title completely like this and save it. And notice now it's just the icon. Okay, so I can actually fit more things in here. So if I take this, maybe I want this over here with all the other ones I use a lot. I can start organizing these, right? I could make this one shorter. I could edit this, get rid of that, and now that one's even shorter. So that's one way that you can do this to make it really easy for yourself. If you don't see your bookmarks there, make sure you click on the three dots, go to Bookmarks, and make sure it's showing your bookmarks bar. And if you do want to spend even more time organizing, you can go into your bookmarks manager and set up everything, different folders, and do all the editing in here as well. But the quickest way is, just doing some right clicking in this and some dragging to make it fast and easy to organize all your bookmarks so that you can effectively teach and also tell your students that they can do this as well so they can quickly get to all the things that you want them to get to for your class.